Hello everyone and welcome to my class. In this video, you will learn how to write a descriptive writing. A descriptive writing is a text that describes a person, place, thing, or an event using the five senses. And the main goal of descriptive writing is to create a vivid and moving picture in the reader's mind. You actually want to make the reader feel like they are part of what's going on. And this can be done using three techniques: sensory details, Shona Tell, and figurative language. Sensory details use the five senses: sight, smell, taste, sound, and touch to add depth of detail to writing. If you want to bring your story to life, then use them. Write so the reader can actually see the beach, hear the birds, smell the flowers, taste the ice cream, or feel the breeze. The second technique is Shona Tell. Shona Tell is showing the reader the actions and feelings instead of telling. Don't tell the reader the girl was scared. Show her actions and feelings instead. She was biting her nails and her hands were shaking. Don't tell the reader it was fall, but show the reader actions and feelings during the fall. The dry orange leaves crunched under my feet. The third technique is figurative language. This is when you describe something by comparing it to something else. So instead of saying she ran fast, write she ran as fast as lightning. Here I've used a simile to compare the girl to a lightning, and this is memorable because it makes the reader look at the girl running from a different angle. And to learn more about figurative language, click on the link in the description below. Now let me show you the steps you need to take to write a descriptive text. First of all, choose a topic. Now you can write about someone that you know or a fictional character from a story or a book. You can write about a place or a thing. But choose a topic that you have a lot to write about so you have enough details for it. And the second step is to brainstorm your ideas using your five senses. This will help you structure your essay and remind you to include all the sensory details. Write down as many details that you can think of for the topic based on each sense. The third step is to write the introduction. The introduction is the first paragraph, and you want to attract the reader's attention with the hook. So you can start your introduction with an interesting fact about your topic. Dogs can smell your feelings. You can ask a rhetorical question. Haven't you always longed for a pet? You can also share a humorous short story that captures your audience. It was the day I exploded with laughter. And I'm sure that the reader here would be curious to know about that day. After writing the hook, you can include some background information about your topic. The second paragraph describes your topic in details. So use the sensory details you brainstormed earlier in complete and meaningful sentences. Use show, not tell technique and figurative language. And a good descriptive writing is always organized. So if you're describing a place or an event, try to get a very clear picture of the topic in your mind. Choose a wide angle shot. That means describe your topic in general. Then zoom in and take a close-up picture to further describe your topic. When describing a person, for example, you might begin with a physical description, followed by how that person acts, then feels. And the last paragraph is the conclusion. It wraps up the whole essay. It simply ties all the thoughts together. And don't be afraid to share your feelings about the topic. But remember not to add any new details in the concluding. Then, edit your writing using this writing checklist. And the final step is to publish your work and share it with the world. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.